Bharat Mobility Global Expo. Maruti Suzuki has launched its first ever electric SUV, the VITARA. Suzuki Motorcycle India has also unveiled 3 innovative products including the e-Access, Suzuki's first electric scooter, the all-new Access 125, and the Gixxer SF 250 Flex Fuel. Hero MotoCorp unveiled a series of new vehicles and initiatives, marking its entry into the 250 cubic centimeters motorcycle segment with the Extreme 250R and enhancing its adventure lineup with the Spulse 210. BMW India unveiled the BMW X1 long wheelbase all-electric at Auto Expo 2025, marking its first locally produced EV. Priced at 49 Indian rupees lakh. Mercedes-Benz at the Global Expo launched its exquisite luxury BEV, the EQS Maybach SUV 680 Night Series, priced at 2.63 crore Indian rupees, along with Maybach GLS 600 at 3.71 crore Indian rupees. Hyundai Motor India launched the much-anticipated Hyundai Creta Electric at the Bharat Mobility Global Expo 2025, starting at an introductory price of 17.99 Indian rupees lakh. MG Motors expands its NEV portfolio with MG Cyberster and MG M9. Introduced under the newly launched luxury brand channel MG Select, these models exemplify the company's vision of intelligent, sustainable, and customer-centric mobility. Tata Motors has launched the all-new Tata Sierra at the Bharat Mobility Global Expo 2025. Kia India unveiled the new Kia EV6 at the Bharat Mobility Global Expo 2025. Greaves Cotton Limited introduced premium variants of the Ampere Nexus, including the Race and Executive editions. Porsche India unveiled 2 groundbreaking battery electric vehicles, BEVs, the all-new Mekong SUV and the updated Taycan Sports Saloon. Skoda Auto India showcases a striking lineup of 8 ICE and EV models from India and global portfolio.